I'm Rob Mueller. I'm the product manager for aftermarket. I just want to talk to you guys about all the new kits that we've launched recently. We have them from the Aurora product line, Fairbanks, and Ashland product lines. We make sure we have spare parts and replacement parts all into kit formats to make sure all the parts you need to get the job are there. So I have with me right here one of our overhaul kits. We make sure that the impeller washers, the hardware, the O-rings, the leak probes, they're all included. You don't want to get to the job site and say, oh my gosh, I forgot something. And we use our OEM parts, which is important. We're the designer of the pump. We have the right materials and the right dimensions. You don't want to get caught off with some replicator finding out that your pump's not operating the same way it was when it left the factory.